Hello, now we will see how we make the integration between Mosaic and PayPal. For that goal, first we have to create a web page and set the URL to the PayPal form to that web page. So we call it PayPal payment page, and this will be the URL that will host the PayPal payment button. I paste the URL here. I add this page. We remember the ID of this page because later we will use it. The ID of the page is 29. We go and create a product. Under the folder of this product, we will be able to see all the clients who have paid through PayPal. So we pay attention to its ID, it is 27. Now we have web page and product. We go to Certified Partners portal to the PayPal IPN section, and here we see 4 fields. We should fill them with our proper data. The first field wants our Mosaic account. We copy it from the URL, paste it. If you are not sure how to get the public key, you can click on the autofill and the script there will find it for you and fill it for you. Next, we enter the page ID and product ID, which were page ID was 29, if you remember from the first step, and product ID is 27. We click on generate button, and here we see few lines automatically generated for us. And if we paste these lines before the closing form tag, the integration will be done for us. Where we will find this closing form tag? We go to PayPal. In this case, I'm using the testing platform of PayPal, but there is no difference between this platform and the real platform. So the steps are the same. I log in. Note that uh, in order to be able to use this integration functionality, you should have PayPal business account, not an ordinary account, because only business accounts allow using payment buttons. You cannot have a payment button in ordinary account. So we go to merchant services to create a button. Here create a payment buttons for your website, and here we will create one button for our page. Create a new button. I enter the name of our new product. I set its price, $33. Name and the price are the only required attributes here, and you can set other options as well, but we will continue with only the basic ones. And click on the create button. After clicking that button, PayPal will show us the code that will embed this payment button to our web page. We copy this code, and after copying it, we should paste it to the location where we want to see it. As you can see, This code resembles just a basic HTML form. It has a, an opening form tag, closing form tag at the end, and some HTML fields between them. So this is nothing more than just an ordinary PayPal payment form. Now we will paste this code to our sample web page. So we copy this code, go to our web page, whether it will be a pure HTML or WordPress, it's not important. We paste the code, and before leaving that page, we should remember to add the integration part as well. We copy the integration code and paste it just before the closing form tag. This is the closing form tag, and just above it. So when these lines are copied, it means that the integration is done. We save it. Now we refresh that page to see if the button will be visible. Here is the button. We click on the button, and after clicking it, we were redirected to the PayPal. So this is our product. We click on checkout. Now we will use this email to pay. Once the payment is done successfully, uh, PayPal sends notification to our server, to Mosaic server, and usually there is a time delay which can be up to 5-10 minutes. It purely depends on PayPal. So here we see the confirmation. The product is purchased, the sum is paid, and within a few minutes we will see our name here as a customer who has paid through PayPal.